how much should you actually spend on a nut milk maker? Because people are happy buying the cheap ones but returning the expensive ones. It's a bit interesting. Product number 1, Alphabot N2 Nut Milk Maker. First up, we have the Alphabot N2 Automatic Almond Milk Machine. Priced at $77.77, this machine caught my eye with its promise of creamy homemade nut milk. If you want a reliable way to make fresh plant-based milk, this is worth a serious look. The Alphabot N2 impresses with a powerful motor and 10 stainless steel blades that blend and strain nuts efficiently, leaving you with smooth milk. It has a big capacity of 1,000 ml, which is perfect for families. You can whip up a variety of milks from almond to soy and even yogurt with its 5 different modes. This versatility means you can experiment with different flavors without worrying about preservatives or additives. Now, some users have noted that it can be a bit noisy during operation. Here's the thing though, while it might be a bit loud, the quality of the milk it produces definitely makes up for it. If you're someone who enjoys making nut milk often, the sound shouldn't be a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a straightforward nut milk maker that delivers quality without breaking the bank. Skip this one if you need a super quiet machine or a more compact model. For the price, it's a solid investment for your kitchen. Now, if the noise factor of the Alphabot N2 bothered you, the next machine might just surprise you with its quiet operation. Product number 2, KIDISLE Nut Milk Maker. Next up is the KIDISLE 8-in-1 Nut Milk Maker. At $59.99, it's not only budget-friendly but offers some fantastic features that caught my attention. If you're after an all-in-one solution for your kitchen, this machine is worth considering. The user-friendly design means you just select your desired function and let it do the work. Plus, it has a heat preservation feature that keeps your drinks warm for up to 2 hours, which is perfect for those lazy mornings. However, some users mentioned that the capacity could be a bit limiting for larger families. But here's the thing, for individuals or smaller households, this limitation can actually be a benefit, as it encourages you to make fresh milk in smaller batches, ensuring it's always at its best. This is perfect for you if you want a budget-friendly, multifunctional appliance that simplifies your kitchen tasks. Skip this one if you have a large family and need larger quantities at once. For the price, you're getting a good value with plenty of features. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who prioritize capacity. Product number 3, Levatro Nut Milk Maker. Now let's talk about the Levatro Nut Milk Maker, which is priced at $169.99. What really grabbed my attention is its 50.73 Oz capacity, making it ideal for families. If you want to serve multiple people at once, this one's worth a serious look. This machine allows you to make fresh nut milk in minutes without additives. With 12 automatic programs, you can whip up everything from smoothies to baby food, and the 24-hour delay start means you can wake up to fresh milk ready for you. The blending power ensures smooth textures every time. However, some users have pointed out that it's a bit on the heavier side. Now that could be a deal breaker if you're looking for something portable, but if you plan to keep it in one place, the weight shouldn't be a huge concern. This is perfect for you if you have a family and need a larger capacity machine that also offers a variety of uses. Skip this one if portability is a priority for you. For what you get, it's a solid machine that can make a big difference in your kitchen. If the weight is a concern for you, the next product on our list is designed to be more lightweight and user-friendly. Product number 4, Chef Wave Milkmaid. Up next is the Chef Wave Milkmaid plant-based milk maker, priced at $209.95. I was drawn to its sleek design and promise of no soaking required. If you're looking for something that combines style with functionality, this one might catch your eye. The Milkmaid offers 6 preset programs that optimize the blending and extraction process for various nuts and grains. This means you get consistent results every time. The patented filtering system eliminates the need for nut milk bags, making the process cleaner and more convenient. Plus, the included glass storage pitcher means you can make and store your milk all in one go. It's a lovely touch that adds to the overall experience. One downside I noticed is that it's a bit pricier than other options. However, consider this: if you're serious about making nut milk and want a machine that simplifies the entire process, the investment can be worth it in the long run. This is perfect for you if you want a stylish, efficient machine that does a lot of the work for you. Skip this one if you're on a tight budget or prefer a simpler machine. For the quality, it's a worthwhile addition to any kitchen. If the price point gave you pause, the next option we'll discuss is much more budget-friendly while still offering great features. Product number 5, Archimera Nut Milk Maker. Finally, we have the Archimera 8-in-1 Nut Milk Maker, which comes in at $59.99. This caught my attention because it's a very affordable option that still packs in a lot of features. If you're looking for a budget-friendly machine that can do it all, you'll want to hear about this one. This nut milk maker allows you to make 35 Oz of fresh plant-based milk in minutes. With 8 functions, including boiling water and making smoothies, it's very versatile. The LED screen is a nice touch, providing easy control over timing and temperature. Plus, the self-cleaning function really simplifies maintenance, so you're not stuck scrubbing after every use. However, some users mention that the blending might not be as fine as some pricier models. But here's the thing: if you're just getting into making nut milk, this might be a perfect starter machine that won't overwhelm you. This is perfect for you if you're new to nut milk making and want an affordable, multifunctional option. Skip this one if you need high-end features or the finest blending quality. For the price, you really can't go wrong with this one. So to wrap it up, we've looked at the Alphabot N2, KIDISLE Levatro Chefwave Milkmaid and Archimera Nut Milk Maker. Each of these has its own unique pros and cons, whether it's capacity, versatility, or price point. Depending on your needs, there's definitely a nut milk maker here that could elevate your kitchen game. Happy nut milk making!